Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is day 9 of our English learning journey, and today we're going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. Today is my 8th day of practice. 2. I am improving every day. 3. I speak English with confidence. 4. Practice makes me perfect. 5. I learn new words daily. 6. I try to speak clearly. 7. I am not afraid of mistakes. 8. Mistakes help me learn. 9. I listen carefully to others. 10. I repeat new sentences loudly. 11. I wake up early in the morning. 12. I brush my teeth daily. 13. I drink a glass of water. 14. I go for a short walk. 15. The sun rises in the east. 16. Birds are singing outside. 17. I like fresh air. 18. The sky looks beautiful. 19. I enjoy my morning tea. 20. I read a book every day. 21. I go to work on time. 22. I respect my teachers. 23. I help my friends. 24. I complete my tasks. 25. I write neatly. 26. I speak politely. 27. I love my family. 28. My parents support me. 29. My friends encourage me. 30. I feel grateful today. 31. I eat healthy food. 32. Fruits are good for health. 33. Vegetables give us energy. 34. I drink enough water. 35. I avoid junk food. 36. Exercise keeps me fit. 37. I sleep on time. 38. I keep my room clean. 39. Cleanliness is important. 40. I organize my things properly. 41. I watch English videos. 42. I listen to English songs. 43. I try to understand the lyrics. 44. I speak in front of a mirror. 45. I record my voice. 46. I check my pronunciation. 47. I learn from my errors. 48. I practice every evening. 49. I revise old lessons. 50. I enjoy learning English. 51. The weather is nice today. 52. It is a sunny day. 53. I carry an umbrella in the rain. 54. I wear warm clothes in winter. 55. Summer is very hot. 56. I like the rainy season. 57. The wind is blowing softly. 58. The flowers are blooming. 59. Nature is beautiful. 60. I love green trees. 61. I go to the market. 62. I buy fresh vegetables. 63. The shopkeeper is kind. 64. I stand in a queue. 65. I pay the bill. 66. I return home safely. 67. I cook food for my family. 68. The food smells good. 69. We eat together. 70. We share happy moments. 71. I complete my homework. 72. I prepare for exams. 73. Hard work brings success. 74. I set clear goals. 75. I stay positive. 76. I believe in myself. 77. I never give up. 78. I stay motivated. 79. I respect everyone. 80. Kindness is powerful. 81. I smile every day. 82. I spread happiness. 83. I speak the truth. 84. Honesty is the best policy. 85. Time is very valuable. 86. I use my time wisely. 87. I focus on my dreams. 88. I learn from successful people. 89. I stay calm in problems. 90. I think before I speak. 91. I thank God for everything. 92. I feel peaceful inside. 93. I am proud of myself. 94. I am becoming better each day. 95. I love learning new things. 96. English is easy for me. 97. I practice speaking daily. 98. I enjoy this journey. 99. Thank you for watching my video. 100. See you in day 9.